In a world where comfort meets confidence, there's one piece of clothing almost every woman owns, but rarely thinks about how it's made: the bra. From the shelves of fancy boutiques to daily essentials, bras are far more complex than they seem. Behind their elegance lies engineering, design, and precision. So today, we take you into the secret world of bra manufacturing, step by step, from raw material to final product. Let's begin our journey. Before anything is cut or sewn, every bra starts with a concept. Designers begin by identifying what the product is meant to do: support, shape, lift, or simply comfort. They sketch ideas, select features like padding, underwire, or lace, and consider different body types. This idea then becomes a technical drawing. Using software, engineers design exact patterns, making sure every curve fits a real body. It's not just fashion, it's geometry, physics, and biomechanics. Once patterns are ready, we move to materials. The choice of fabric is crucial. Cotton, spandex, satin, mesh, microfiber, all these are used for specific reasons. The material must stretch just right, be soft on the skin, and still be strong enough to hold structure. The elastics, underbands, and straps are also selected with care. Some elastics are soft and wide for comfort, others narrow and tight for control. Even the thread must match in flexibility and strength. These raw materials arrive at the factory in large rolls. Everything is quality checked. Fabrics are tested for stretch, thickness, and durability. The elasticity is tested so it doesn't lose tension over time. If any material doesn't pass the initial checks, it's returned or recycled. With materials approved, the next phase is cutting. Machines spread out the fabric in long layers. Then, automated cutters or lasers slice through the layers with surgical accuracy. One bra can have up to 30 or 40 different parts: cups, wings, linings, and lace panels. Some high-end factories now use laser cutting and ultrasonic bonding for seamless bras. These methods eliminate stitching, creating a smooth finish that's invisible under clothing. Once cut, the pieces are labeled and sorted. Now comes the assembly phase. Highly trained workers take each piece and begin stitching. First, the cups are sewn, shaped to match the natural curve of the breast. Some bras use foam, which is heat molded into smooth cups, using special machines that form a 3D contour. Then, the cups are sewn to the cradle, the base of the bra that sits under the bust. From there, the side wings and back panels are added. Stitching must be precise. Even a 1mm error can affect the fit. Some brands use specialized zigzag stitches that allow stretch while maintaining strength. If the bra includes underwires, they're inserted next. The wires are flexible metal pieces coated with plastic. They're pushed into channels under the cups, designed to follow the curve of the chest. These wires are tested to ensure they don't poke through or break. For padded or push-up bras, foam inserts are sewn in or placed into internal pockets. The padding must be symmetrical and soft, giving shape without discomfort. Designers test various densities to achieve the desired lift. Now it's time for the straps. Adjustable straps are attached at the back of the cup and the top of the band. Small plastic or metal sliders allow users to change the length. For convertible bras, special hooks or snaps are added to allow multiple wearing styles. Next comes the hook and eye closure. This tiny piece plays a big role. It's sewn at the back, giving users multiple size options. Some sports bras use zippers or front clasps instead, depending on the design. At this point, the bra looks nearly complete, but it still needs finishing touches. If lace is part of the design, it's carefully sewn onto the cups or band. Bows or branding tags are added. Embroidery, if included, is stitched with computerized machines that can handle fine detailing. Color matching and dyeing are also part of the final process. Delicate shades like blush, lavender, or ivory must match across all parts. Any variation can result in product rejection. Before it goes to packaging, every bra goes through fitting trials. Real testers wear the bras and report how they feel. Does it dig in? Is it supportive? Any discomfort? Based on feedback, small changes are made. For global brands, these tests happen across different countries to ensure sizing consistency worldwide. Now we enter the quality control zone. Each batch is inspected for defects. Stress tests are done on straps and hooks. Stitching is pulled and tugged to simulate real-world use. Color-fast tests ensure dyes won't bleed. Some factories use robots with artificial arms to simulate stretching, washing, and daily wear. The goal is to ensure that bras can survive over 100 washes without losing function. Only bras that pass all checks are allowed to continue. Next, packaging. Each bra is folded neatly, tagged with size and model, and sealed in protective wrapping. Some brands include wash instructions or style tips inside the box. From here, the bras are boxed and shipped to stores or warehouses. Some go to high-end fashion houses, others to global retailers or direct-to-consumer websites. With the rise of e-commerce, brands now invest in eco-friendly packaging to reduce waste. And while the final product may look simple, its journey was anything but. Let's take a moment to explore the global scale of this industry. China, Bangladesh, Vietnam, and Sri Lanka are some of the biggest bra manufacturers. Each region offers different specialties: lacework in China, hand embroidery in India, seamless tech in Vietnam. These hubs employ millions of workers, many of them women. In some factories, generations of families have worked on bra production, passing down techniques and precision. Global trade policies and labor standards greatly affect where and how bras are made. Companies are under increasing pressure to ensure fair wages, safe working environments, and responsible sourcing. Certifications like WRAP and OEKOTEX have become common in this industry. The economics of bra making is also fascinating. A single $40 bra might cost $4 to manufacture, with costs split across materials, labor, testing, shipping, and marketing. Brand name, design exclusivity, and customer experience make up the markup. Marketing campaigns, influencer partnerships, and packaging often cost more than the actual materials. Now let's talk about innovation. Modern bras aren't just fabric, they're getting smarter. 3D body scanning helps create custom-fit bras. Some are made from sustainable materials like bamboo fiber. Others use memory foam that adapts to body heat. There are even wearable tech bras that track heart rate or posture, though still in prototype phases. These smart bras are aimed at athletes and those needing posture support, and they're pushing the limits of wearable technology. Sustainability is now a growing priority. Traditional bra materials are not easily biodegradable, so eco-conscious brands are experimenting with recycled polyester, organic cotton, and plant-based elastics. Some companies offer take-back programs where customers can return old bras for recycling. Water usage and chemical runoff are also concerns. Dyes and treatments used in fabrics can pollute local waterways if not properly managed. New closed-loop systems and waterless dyeing technologies are being adopted by eco-friendly manufacturers. Cultural and body diversity also shape modern design. More inclusive sizing, non-gendered marketing, and adaptive bras for post-surgery use are on the rise. Some brands now design bras specifically for trans and non-binary individuals, offering comfort and support for different body transitions. And history plays a part too. From the corsets of the Victorian era to the sports bras of today, this evolution reflects changing roles, values, and fashion trends. Each generation redefines what support, freedom, and style mean in their own way. So the next time you see a bra, remember, you're looking at an innovation built from threads, foam, steel, and above all, understanding. Understanding of form, of function, and of what it means to support with style. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of bra manufacturing. If you enjoyed this documentary, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the hidden worlds behind everyday things. Until next time, stay curious, stay comfortable, and always support knowledge.